Hey everyone, I just wanted to jump on for a minute. It's been a busy week so far. It's only Wednesday. We got 2 more days to go. We're having Vacation Bible School at my church this week, so me having extra energy and getting all the things done is not happening as I had planned. So I just wanted to show you real quick easy style that I did today for Bible school. I did manage to wash my hair today, believe it or not. I'm a little poofy and frizzy, but that's okay because this is 12 hours or so after washing and kids at Vacation Bible School all day, a trip to the grocery store, lunch with my kids, stuff around the house, lounging a little, etc., etc. So I'm not at all unpleased. But I wanted to show you, today was Team Spirit Day. So my team, my crew at Bible School is yellow. So I had to wear yellow. So I've got my yellow leggings. Can't kick my legs up that high. Woo! See it? So I had to wear something yellow but still wear my leader shirt. So of course I have to find something yellow to wear my hair, right? Who knew I was going to do that? So I want to show you before I take it down. I wore U-pins. I didn't want to do full up because I hadn't washed my hair in several days. And it's always fun to wear it down. Oh, we got some sunshine shining on it. So just a quick little half up. I'm going to make sure that we're in view. And so I'm going to take them down and show you how easy they come out without snagging. And then I can just shake it out. And if you have curly hair, you see that I still have curls in there, and so they're safe and fine. If you need to spritz a little water to fluff them up, that's okay too. So what I did to create that, somehow when I started the day, my hair was one direction. The only problem that I had today, those have literally been in my hair all day, was that a little girl wanted to pull them out, so I had to push one back in because she wanted to pull them out and look at them. I was like, well, you know, because having to redo your hair in the middle of Bible school, no. Anyway, she's very cute and very sweet, and I would have let her keep doing it. So, all I'm doing is just pulling back whatever amount of hair you want, or I want, whatever, into a loose ponytail. Now, I didn't want to smush too much, so all I did was very lightly, loosely twist. I know I preach, those of you that don't have a lot of curls or texture to your hair, you want that rope to be a little tighter, but you can do that, it's okay. Those of us with curly hair, we don't want to do that because it smashes curls, but sometimes we have to. So then I just put this in, flip it, and push it. That one's holding. It won't hold all day by itself like that. So I'm going to put this other one on the other side. Now this one, usually I would put them in on the same side, but this one would make my pineapple upside down, so I'm putting it on the other side. Works the same. So I'm going to find where that one is so I don't hit it. Same thing, flip or push it in, flip and push. And there you go. And I can make this up top fun and as poofy as I want it to be. Y'all, I'm sorry these videos are not professional. We are doing the best we can with what time we have today. But there you go. Literally I held this in. I put it in about, what time did we leave? I put it in around 8 and it is around 7:30 now, so almost 12 hours. I could have left it in all night or all day until I went to bed. It would have been fine. I don't sleep in my U-pins usually. I do sometimes sleep in the large one, but not these because I don't want to lose them. But so there you go. Quick, easy, happy, curly hair friendly, fine hair friendly, because you're not ripping your hair out. You can make that twist as loose as you want it to. And if you get hot throughout the day, I'm going to cut this off at 5 minutes, even if I'm in the mid-sentence. You can even put yourself in a bun and get that off your neck. I was really lucky. We don't have any outside activities. All I have to do is walk down a sidewalk outside. And that just takes a couple of minutes and we're back in the air conditioning. So I missed that one, so we're going to try it again. And there. So if I got hot, I don't have to pull out a rubber band. I don't have to pull out a claw. I can just adjust my U-pins and I am ready to go. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. If you need help with your style or your length of hair, let me know. We do have smaller U-pins. These are the sets, but they are a standard size, but we do have smaller ones, okay? Have a great evening. Bye-bye.